Hi.
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 Hi, everyone. Dave from BC Hydro here. Pretty psyched to be with Chad and Jody, the Evis Chesson family. Guys, winter is coming. Like it or not, what are you doing to get the family prepared for winter?
Thick coats, toques, gloves.
Love it, love it. I came here to talk to you about draft proofing. Do you know what draft proofing is?
Not really.
No.
Guys, it's the most cost-effective way to keep your home cozy this winter. Is there anywhere that you notice that feels particularly cold or drafty come winter?
Yes, the double back doors are terrible. They're very old and there's gaps.
Oh my. We've hit on something right off the bat here. Guys, I want to help you with this problem. I want to seal up any gaps, any cracks. I want to seal in the savings. Won't you come on this draft proofing voyage with me?
Let's do it. We'd love to.
Let's set sail.
This is the door we're talking about, Dave.
Right away, I can see we've got a fair-sized gap at the bottom of the door. Guys, fear not. It's easy as pie to fix this. All you need is a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, and the most important part, V-Seal weather stripping. V-Seal weather stripping is a super easy and cost-effective way to deal with gaps and cracks around doors and windows. Anybody can install it. It's easy, it's flexible and compressible, so it won't mess with your door if we install it correctly. Let's fix this.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The first step is to make sure you've got a clean surface to work with. Do your worst. The next step is to measure the length of the window or door before you cut the V-Seal.
35 inches.
Fold the V-Seal in a line down the middle, creating a V shape with the adhesive side on the outside. That's beautiful.
Looks pretty good.
Peel off the protective backing as you apply the strip and then press it into place. So guys, the last step is to close that door and check that the strip compresses slightly for a snug fit.
All right.
That's great. Yeah.
So it's been quite an adventure. We've learned about draft proofing, but more importantly, we've learned a little bit about each other. Before I go, I wanted to share a few other simple tips. Chad?
Ooh.
Jody? These are foam insulating pads. Install them on exterior walls behind your light switches or electrical outlets. It's gonna stop a lot of heat loss, something you guys can enjoy together after I've gone. Every time you see a foam insulating pad, I hope you'll think of me. Now there's a few other simple things we can do to really make the house feel a lot more comfortable. If you've got older or drafty windows, you can install some plastic window film. It's super easy, it's very cost effective. It'll cut down on that condensation on windows and make your home a lot more comfortable in winter. I also wanted to point out one of my top products is caulking and foam insulation. So anywhere that you have vents or cables or pipes that are entering or exiting the home, you can easily fill up any gaps or cracks there, and that's gonna prevent even further heat loss, make the Evis Chessons more comfy than they ever dreamed possible. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard it's what's on the inside that counts. Nowhere is that more true than when you're doing renovations. It can be a great idea to upgrade that insulation, and BC Hydro actually offers some great rebates. So on behalf of Jody, Chad, and myself, stay warm, BC. We're nice and cozy here, thanks. Bye for now.